Hello, good morning, my lovely students. How are you today? I hope all of you are fine. Welcome back to my explanations about our materials. This week, you will study about Lcm and Gcf, but with larger numbers. And so let's get started. I'll give you example 144 and 84. So my question is, what is the LCM of 144 and 84? LCM, least common multiple. The last lesson, I told you you must find the multiples for each number. But as you can see here, the number is very big, and if you multiply it, it becomes larger and larger and make it difficult to find. So let's simplify this. The first step you need to do is to find and make the factor tree of each. So 144, you must think about a number, multiplication of number that result 144. For this explanation, I will try to use my method by dividing the numbers starting from the smallest prime factor. So I divide 144 with 2 and it equals 72. Again, 72 divided by 2 equals 36. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. 18 divided by 2 equal 9. 9 to make the last prime numbers, it is 3 times 3. Remember, when you do this one, do not forget to circle all the prime numbers. So I have circled all the prime numbers there. Next, you will write the prime factorizations like that. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. You have studied about exponent, so let's simplify. It becomes 2 to power 4, 3 to the power 2, or 3 squared. And next, we move to 84 there. The same way, I'll divide it from the smallest prime factors, which is 2, and result 42 again, divided by 2 equals 21, and last, divided by 3 equals 7. I stop at 7 because 7 is prime numbers, and I circle all the prime numbers. Again, write the prime factorizations, 2 times 2 times 3 times 7, and simplify it becomes 2 squared times 3 times 7. Now, you must make the multiplications of or the prime factorizations of 144 and 84 like that. And now, the rules of finding LCM using the factor tree or prime factorization. The first, you must compare all the factors there. Try to find the same factors between two or more factorizations. Just like this. We know 2 to the power 4, the same with 2 to the power 2 or 2 squared, and 3 squared with 3. You must compare the numbers here, not the exponent, but the numbers. So find the same factor. So 2 with 2, 3 with 3. And how about the 7 here? We just leave it first because it doesn't have any pair, so let's move on. Second, when you compare that same factors, you must choose the biggest exponent. So between 2 to the power 4 and 2 squared, the biggest exponent is, you know, it is 2 to the power 4. And between 3 squared and 3, the biggest exponent is 3 squared. Okay, easy. Let's move. The next step, then pick the rest factors that have no any pair, because we just left the 7. So now we choose this number also because it has no any pair. So it becomes like this. Lastly, multiply all chosen numbers. I have marked it here with the red and this with the blue, and this one join here. As you can see, LCM of 144 and 84 is 2 to the power 4 times 3 squared times 7. And then you find the result of 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 3 squared is 9, 7, 7. Just multiply all these numbers and the result is 1008. 1008. The LCM of 144 and 84 is 1008. So this one is the example of LCM using larger number. Next, we still have GCF, right? And we're going to use the same questions between 144 and 84. The same way, we will skip this one because you already know. Remember, always try to write the prime factorizations just like in the yellow squares there. Now, let's watch this closely. The rules of finding GCF a bit different with the LCM. The first step still the same. Try to find the same factors between 2 or more factorizations. So let's see, compare these factorizations. Let's see. We still have the same couples there. 2 to the power 4 and 2 square, and 3 to the power 2 or 3 square with 3. Now, this one is the new step. Choose the smallest exponent of the same factor. For an LCM, you must choose the biggest. Now, it's the smallest. So you know between 2 to the power 4 and 2 square, the smallest is 2 square, and between 3 squares and 3, it is 3. Then, next, you still have 7 here. In GCF, it doesn't require a number that has no any pair. So we just drop or eliminate all numbers that has no pair. So we don't use 7. Last, multiply all chosen numbers. So it's only 2 squared times 3. 2 squared is 4, 3 is 3, and just multiply it. It equals 12. Maybe you want to ask, Mister, I still don't get these lessons. So you can replay this video, watch this over and over until you can understand. Or just leave your comment in the class comments in the Google Classroom. Okay? See you next time. God bless you and stay healthy. Bye.